Children, we will open to our next page, which is 109. Begin. 1 plus 6. 6 in our head, 1 on our finger. So after 6, 7. Answer 7. 9 plus 0. 9 in our head and 0 on our fingers. So 0 means nothing. So answer will be 9. 2 plus 7. So your greater number is 7. So 7 in our head, 2 on our fingers. After 7, 8, 9. Answer will be 9. 2 plus 1. 2 in our head, 1 on our finger. So after 2, 3. Answer will be 3. 7 plus 1. 7 in our head, 1 on our finger. After 7, 8. Very good. You will write 8 here. 3 plus 4. 4 in our head, 3 on our fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer 7. Next we have 0 plus 8. So 8 is a greater number. So 8 in our head, and again 0 means nothing, no number. So answer is 8. Next we have 4 plus 4. 4 in our head, 4 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. 2 plus 4. 4 is a greater number. So 4 in our head, 2 on our fingers. So after 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Next we have 4 plus 3. 4 in our head, 3 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next we have 6 plus 0. So 6 is a greater number. 6 in our head and 0 means no number. So answer will be 6. And the last one is 4 plus 5. So which is a greater number? Yes, very good. 5 in our head, 4 on our fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. You will also do the same way